These are the setup rows for a shifted buffalo headband A and B. They differ only in the color that is used to make the 0 into 2. You will be working the repeat 6 times. Each repeat establishes one pair of cables. Each repeat is worked over 3 stitches. I have 22 stitches on the needles and I'm ready to work the setup row. Each stitch has 2 loops on the needle. For this example, I'm using red as the main color and gray as the contrast color. The first stitch is knit through the back loop with the main color only. This creates a stitch that only has 1 loop on the needles. Now I'll work the repeat. It begins with purl 2, then I work the KFB by bringing my marl to the back and knitting through the front and the back of the next stitch with my main color only. Next, I'll work a 0 into 2. I do that by lifting the strand between the next 2 stitches and knitting into the back and then the front, that lifted strand. I work those in the contrast color, and that's what you do for headband A. If it was headband B, I would have worked it in the main color. I repeat those stitches until I reach the last 3 stitches on the needles. After working the repeat 6 times, I'm at the last 3 stitches and I purl 2 and slip 1 with the marl in front. When you're done, what you'll see on your needles are some stitches that only have 1 loop on the needle. The first 2 will be made with the KFB, the second 2 with the 0 into 2. That is the start of a pair of cables. You will have 6 pairs of cables on your needles now.